Today's video is going to be a huge Grove collaborative haul. This is actually not my haul, it's my mom's products. She saw all the fun stuff I had from Grove, and so she wanted to get some stuff for herself. And I had a link for her to use that she was actually able to get a 5-piece Mrs. Myers set for free. So she ended up spending $41 and she got $80 worth of products. So she got everything for half off. So I'm gonna go through and show you guys what she got. And some of the scents are new to me, so I'm probably gonna have to take a sniff. If you guys haven't checked out Grove Collaborative yet, I will put my link down below so you can get that 5-piece set for free. It's an awesome website. You can get cleaning supplies, there's hygiene, baby stuff. There's just tons of products you can get off of the website, and it's so easy. It ships straight to your door, so don't even have to go to Target. All right, let's get into it. So first I'm gonna show you guys what she got for free. So this is the Mrs. Myers 5-piece set, and I believe she was able to pick the scent. I'm almost positive she was able to pick what scent she wanted. So it comes with this little caddy, and then you get 2 of these walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. And then it came with the dish soap, which she got in the lavender scent. It smells so good. Dish soap, hand soap, and then of course the multi-surface spray. So I love the Mrs. Myers brand. That is normally what I use. I do have to say, so my last order, I ordered the Caldrea. Let me show you guys. So this is the Caldrea set. This was like the Hostess gift set or something like that. It is in the scent Pear Blossom Agave, and it's got a countertop spray, a hand soap, and a dish soap. And oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. I cannot even describe how good it smells. It's like perfume, but like it's so fresh, and like just cleaning with this stuff in my kitchen just makes my whole kitchen smell so good. I actually used it in my bathroom yesterday because I wanted my bathroom to smell fancy and amazing, and I love this stuff. So I normally use the Mrs. Myers, but this is kind of my new obsession right now. So I highly recommend these. They are a little more expensive, but they're worth it. So the next thing she got was, this is a hand soap refill, and this is in the scent Basil. Basil is the first scent I got when I ordered off Grove, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. All the scents are so fresh, and these are, I got all the prices. I want to show you guys, I want to tell you guys all the prices for everything. Because you can get a lot of these products at Target, but they're cheaper on the Grove website. The hand soap refill is $6.99. And then this is the stoneware tray, and she actually got this for free. You had to spend like a certain amount, and then she got this for free. And so this, I actually have 2 of these, and it's just like the little tray right here that you can set. It says Grove Collaborative right up here at the top. And you could just put this on your sink, and you can put your soap. I keep my hand soap, my dish soap, and then my little brush on here, and it's perfect for on the sink. This thing, oh my goodness. This is next on my order list. I told her, I was like, I'm gonna keep this. This is a soap dispenser and dish brush set. So this is, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I need this. This is, I'm ordering this next. Okay, so it goes like this. It's got the little brush here. And I've been on a brush kick lately. It's so much more sanitary than the sponges. I normally use the dish sponge, and I'm getting away from that because it's kind of grossing me out. So I need to get one of these. It's got like a little, you put the soap in there, I think, and I think you fill it with water, and then it pushes down and it suds up, and then your brush is ready to wash. This is so stinking cute. And you could put this on the little tray too to display it. So these retail for $12.95. So that is next on my list. She got the lavender scent toilet bowl cleaner. I have not yet tried the Mrs. Myers toilet bowl cleaner, but I'm sure it works awesome because everything else does. And then she got another hand soap, and this is in the scent rosemary. I've actually never smelled the rosemary. Ooh. I don't know if I like that one. I think that's the first scent I haven't been crazy about. It's almost like straight up essential oils, which isn't a bad thing, but I don't know if I like this one. So this next set she got, this is really cool. What is this thing called? This was the Mrs. Myers cleaner set. So it came with a glass cleaner. She got it in the lemon verbena. And it also came with a baking soda cream cleanser and then a vinegar gel no rinse cleaner. And this little pack retailed for $12.50, and she really just wanted the glass cleaner, but I was like, Mom, if you're gonna get 2 more products for that good of a deal, you might as well. So the baking soda cleaner can be used, let's see, what did they say? Works nicely on sinks, stovetops, pots and pans, stainless steel, tile, tubs, showers, faucets. Wow. So yeah, she got it, we thought it would be good in her tub. And the vinegar gel no rinse cleaner, this is good for, says such a classic, simple way to shine and freshen sinks, stainless steel appliances, showers, tubs, tile, and glassware. So yeah, anything you would really use for vinegar, but this is gonna be probably a better scent. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can't even smell the vinegar. Ooh, that smells good. So yeah, that's awesome. I wanna smell this one too. Ooh yeah, that smells so good. And it's in the lemon scent, so it's really fresh. And this is great for cleaning because it's just gonna make everything smell fresh. Sweet. All right, there you have it. This is my mom's very first Grove Collaborative haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to check out the link below so you guys can get your free gift set. I mean, this is such a good deal. This set alone is worth, let's see, this thing is 15. This is probably worth like 20 to 30 bucks just by itself. So you can get this whole thing for free and you just have to spend 20 bucks. And I would highly recommend getting this Hostess set. So I want to say the set was like $34.99, but if you got this whole set, you can get all that for free. So it's such a good deal. So all right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like cleaning as much as I do. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.